It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with McCullough. A hissing sound usually means air or refrigerant is escaping from somewhere it shouldn't be. One of the most common causes is a refrigerant leak. When refrigerant escapes through a small crack or hole, it can create that distinct hissing sound, and over time, that can seriously affect your system's ability to cool. Another possibility is a duct leak. If there's a gap or tear in your ductwork, pressurized air can escape and create a hissing or whistling noise, especially when your system kicks on. In some cases, it might be as simple as a slightly loose connection or fitting, but even small issues can turn into bigger problems if left unchecked. The key thing to remember is this: hissing usually means something is escaping, and your system is sealed for a reason. If you hear it, don't wait. Getting it checked by a professional early can help prevent bigger repairs, higher energy bills, or even a full system breakdown, keeping you and your family safe for seasons to come. We thought you'd like to know.